Okay, so we're here at Chipotle here in Victorville, and just wanted to show you guys what we do to eat vegan here. Of course, I'm not eating because I'm on my juice fast, but I'll show you Sylvia's plate, and then Ralphie's burrito, and then Portia's burrito. So she got the salad, which is Sylvia's doing the raw vegan, so it's just lettuce, pico de gallo, and guacamole. And then Ralphie, he's got
sofritas, rice.
Sofritas, which is tofu, black beans, pinto beans, white rice, lettuce, and salsa.
Corn.
And corn. You got corn. Porchita.
It's huge.
She got the hugest burrito, everybody.
What?
She got, what'd you get?
Pinto and black beans, brown rice with guac, pico de gallo, green sauce, lettuce.
Yeah. And she actually had to double wrap it, the tortilla, because it was so big, it was exploding.
They put too much beans.
Yeah, too much beans. And then a side of guac and a side of chips for Porchita.
That's how we do it.
That's how we do it. And then film me. And then I got my 32 ounces of carrot, apple, and jalapeno juice. It's good. It's good. Alright. So that's basically how you do vegan or raw vegan at Chipotle.
Bye.
Bye.